Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in to Twitch and confirming clips are enabled for your channel. That avoids permission gaps later. Once signed in on desktop, open Creator Dashboard, choose Content, then Clips. On mobile, open your channel and tap Clips. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and clip creation isn't disabled. This gets you directly into the Clips Manager, where you can immediately see recent clips, which saves time versus hunting through VODs or chat highlights. Once in the Clips Manager, start by applying filters. Pick a date range, game title, or specific creator to narrow results quickly. You should preview thumbnails to verify content, then click a clip to open its player and view the original VOD timestamp. This helps when you need the full context. Make sure to use the multi-select checkboxes for batch downloads, exports to social, or deletions. If you plan edits, export the highest quality version first so you don't lose resolution during post. To finish, download clips as MP4s or use Twitch's share buttons to publish directly to Twitter, Discord, or other platforms. Embedding preserves the clip link and reference to the VOD. Once done, add important clips to highlights so they stay organized on your channel. If clips aren't appearing, make sure clips are enabled, check retention limits and your account's pairing or moderator permissions. Also verify that the clip wasn't created by another user without being saved to your channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.